The Battle of Morar in 1602 was a significant conflict in the Scottish Highlands, part of the ongoing clan feuds that characterized much of Scottish history. This particular battle was fought between Clan MacDonald of Glengarry and the combined forces of Clan Mackenzie and their allies. The root of the conflict lay in territorial disputes and long-standing animosities between the MacDonalds and the Mackenzies. The Mackenzies sought to expand their influence and control over lands traditionally held by the MacDonalds. The battle took place near Morar, a strategic location in the Scottish Highlands. The MacDonalds, led by Donald Mackenzie of Glengarry, fortified their position, anticipating an attack. The Mackenzies, under Kenneth Mackenzie, First Lord Mackenzie of Kintail, advanced with a well-coordinated force. Despite their defensive preparations, the MacDonalds were outnumbered and outmaneuvered. The Mackenzies launched a fierce assault, utilizing their superior numbers and tactical advantage. The fighting was intense and brutal, with significant casualties on both sides. However, the Mackenzies' discipline and strategic planning eventually overwhelmed the MacDonald forces. The Battle of Morar ended in a decisive victory for the Mackenzies, consolidating their control over the disputed territories. This victory not only expanded Mackenzie influence, but also marked a turning point in the power dynamics of the Scottish Highlands. The battle is remembered as a key moment in the clan wars, illustrating the fierce rivalries and the constant struggle for dominance among the Scottish clans during this tumultuous period.